Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how many kilograms it actually adds when you use the Wonderwater watering can. So again, you have to submit plans, which I need to do first because I just used up all of my Wonderwater to test this out for you guys, so better like this video. Hold on, let me just harvest some mangoes. My Christmas tree is getting really tall and it's very hard to get the rest there, so let me see if I can get something else. Oh my gosh, okay, there we go. Let's get some. Okay, there we go. I'm just going to go to the middle here and submit my Christmas mutated plants. So basically, if I counted this correctly, oh, there was a lag there. Sometimes it adds 0.12, sometimes it adds 0.13. So here I'm just going to add, as you can see, it added 0.12, and then it added 0.13 kilograms. So I think it's like not in random, it's like 0.12 and then 0.13 and then 0.12 and then 0.13 kilos. So I still have a long way to reach the last level. Let me reward list, 61 kilograms, and I'm still at 20. Actually, it's not super bad. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Just in case you wanted to know, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.